We have made it to the Timbers by McBride Homes, and I don't know why I brought all black outfit, but it is completely worth it because I get to show you guys today the exploding neighborhood and as well all of these selling lots, so make sure to stay tuned. So if you were looking for a brand new home and as well as built by one of Missouri's top home builders, that's a good, decent drive away from the city, this might be the perfect place for you. Let's go check it out. Oh yeah, and also make sure to watch to the end of this video. We'll be doing a video tour going all the way down this neighborhood. It's not that long of a drive, and you can see the current conditions in 2024, and what the roads look like, all the houses that are being made, construction that's happening, just all of that, so make sure to stay tuned. Currently, the Timbers has 2 move-in ready homes that are available for you to buy, with 5 homes coming by the end of this year or the beginning of 2025. There are also 39 more lots that is being for sale in this neighborhood where you can choose and build your dream home. So now I'm going to show you the 3 homes that McBride is offering for this neighborhood. Starting off with the Summerfield, one of McBride's cheapest floor plans you can get in this neighborhood. Summerfield floor plan is a single family ranch home with 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, and a 1-car garage, priced at around $260,000. The St. James is our second home on the list, which is the in-between for affordability. This one is a 2-story home which has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms with only a 1-car garage, priced at around $300,000. Lastly is the Arlington floor plan. This one is just like the one we just mentioned, around the $300,000 price range, but this one has an extra car space. So it is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath with a 2-car garage. And remember, if you want to know more about these homes that I just mentioned, I do have full video tours, which will be in the description below. Or want to see it in person, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here to help you find the perfect home that fits your lifestyle and your preferences. And again, I hope to see you guys in the next one, and have a good one.